Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your password on Guru. Here's a detailed guide on how to change your password on Guru. Log into your Guru account, open your browser and navigate to www.guru.com. Click on Login in the top right corner, enter your account credentials, and click on Login to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture or icon in the top right corner of the page, and you're going to see a drop down menu with a couple of options: edit account, edit profile, Bybits, membership, all the way down to logout. Now go ahead and click on edit account. Now that's going to take you into this window. So you have your contact information, you have email preferences, and you have account security, and you have ID verification, you have username, and you have password. So go ahead and click on password. To change your password, you will typically need to enter your current password in a designated field. Now, this is a security measure to verify your identity. So enter your current password. So once you enter your current password, enter your new password in the next field. Ensure that your new password meets Guru security requirements, such as minimum length, use of numbers, special characters, etc. Then you will usually be asked to re-enter the new password in the confirmation field, which is the confirm new password field, to ensure that there are no typos and to be ensured that you will be able to recall your password. Now, once you're done entering your new password or confirming your new password, go ahead and click on the save button. Click this button to apply your changes. Now, once you're done, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. If you encounter any errors, double check that your current password was entered correctly and that your new password meets the security requirements. After changing your password, consider logging out and then logging back in with your new password to ensure it works correctly. You can log out by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting the logout option. By following your steps, you can successfully change your password on Guru. That's it. So go about the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.